Hey everyone, welcome back to IMW Club, your go-to channel for all things about personal finance. Today, we are going to be talking about how to save at early 20s and how you spend your first salary. Congratulations on your first salary. This is an exciting moment, but it's important to use this money wisely. Few questions that comes to our mind. Who saves from first salary? Why to invest from first salary? Why to save at early 20s? Financial discipline is must, otherwise we end up being impulsive buyers. Starting investment early will give you more returns in long run. And you can enjoy financial freedom. Having enough money in hand, you can spend time for developing hobbies too. Having financial stability will also increase your risk tolerance. So, what is the secret formula? The magic formula is 50%, 30%, 10%, 10%. How to use this formula for savings and financial freedom? Assuming your monthly salary is 10,000 rupees. Here are some categories you can allocate your salary towards. Essentials 50%, 5,000 rupees. This category includes basic necessities like food, rent, utilities, and transportation. It is important to prioritize these expenses and allocate the majority of your salary towards them. Savings 30%, 3,000 rupees. Setting aside a portion of your salary towards savings is crucial for building a strong financial foundation. Remember the golden rule of financial success. Save before you spend. Consider savings and investing in a fixed deposit or mutual fund. Watch our video on how to save money. It will sharpen your saving skills. Personal development 10%, 1,000 rupees. This category includes spending on books, online courses, or attending workshops that can help you develop new skills or enhance your existing ones. Investing in personal development can help you improve your job prospects and increase your earning potential. Entertainment 10%, 1,000 rupees. It is important to enjoy your hard-earned money and have some fun. Consider spending a small portion of your salary on entertainment activities like watching movies, dining out with friends or family. Remember, these are just suggestions, and everyone's financial situation is different. The key is to allocate your salary in a way that aligns with your financial goals and priorities. By starting to manage your finances wisely from your first salary, you can build a strong foundation for a financially secure future. By prioritizing your spending, you can make the most of your first salary and set yourself up for a financially stable future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to IMW Club for more videos on personal finance, savings, investment and wealth building. See you next time.